Nothing there. Now let's move there. And X28, Y28, Z2930. Now it's simply coming from there. Now if I move that way, yeah, nothing. So it's coming from there. Yeah. So I have like a fever past 24 days, 36.4, and now they're hitting me with microwaves on top of that. Today is November 7th, Sunday. Cheers. It's around 10 p.m. so they're microwaving me again. Oh, and here we go again. Here they converge. Yeah. You know, it's a low cooking. It's Y20, X20, Y20, Z27, but and now here you see, here it moves. Yeah, Mongo, yeah, there we go. Yeah, microwave. And it's double hot, and I have fever, and the microwaving me. I might be having malaria. It's 24 days, and I'm very, very tired. Yeah, this is, you know, one of those moments when it could be death, possibly like 10-20%, you know what I mean. So the internet connection is so slow that I can't even in a number of days I can't upload the picture on Facebook. This one is from yesterday. Day 0.9 kilo per second, 596 bytes per second, 399 bytes per second, 166 bytes per second, 452 bytes per second, and so on. Completely disabled smartphone. Not completely, but no more normal internet. Not even mail is coming through normally.